Sometimes I feel like I'm lost at sea. Waves keep pulling at my feet. The horizon feels so far away, and I forget what I should believe. But the wind keeps calling out my name, telling me to stay the same. Not to fear the stormy skies, not to give up on the light. Every wave will rise and fall, nothing lasts forever at all. There's an ocean inside my heart, deep and wide, a work of art. Even when the waters roar, I know what I'm fighting for. Every scar, every tear I've cried becomes a tide that helps me rise. In the ocean inside my heart, a brand new journey starts.
The moonlight dances on the sea, like a dream reminding me that the darkest night can shine with a little bit of time. Every step I take today leads me somewhere far away. Though I cannot see the end, hope remains my closest friend.
Remind me who we are.
There's an ocean inside my heart, deep and wide.